Today I'm going to share how you can earn $35 to $50 in PayPal money over and over. So what we'll do is we'll go over the video, so we'll go over the website and I'll show you exactly what you can expect on the website and the sort of things that you'll be doing to earn this PayPal money. Now this method is available worldwide. You do not need any skills or experience to get started with this. It's 100% free and there's no minimal withdrawal, which is pretty cool because some websites online they have a minimum withdrawal of like say $5 or $10. With this there's none of that. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll go over step by step how this works. I'll show you how to set everything up. Then we'll go over some examples and finally I'll show you some payment proof. So these numbers here that you can see on the screen, I'll go and show you these people who have earned this amount of money using the website that we are looking at today. So make sure you watch this till the end and you'll know that absolutely this is 100% working, it's legitimate, and it's just, look, you're not going to earn a lot of money with this method, but it's a really easy method to make money online from home. So if you've got a little bit of time and you're looking for something, to earn some extra money, then this website may be for you. So let's jump into this and I'll just walk you through it. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share a really simple way to earn some extra money online and from home. It won't take up too much of your time, and look, like I mentioned at the beginning, you're not going to earn lots with this method, but if you've got a little bit of free time and you want to earn some really easy money online and from home, then this website will help you with that. So this is the website we're looking at today. It's this one here and it's called Reamer Tasks. Now on here, this is the homepage. I'll drop links to everything I'm going to be mentioning for you because I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to show you how to get signed up, and then I'll show you some reviews of this website so you know that it is A, legitimate, and B, paying out. So there's some examples on the screen here, as you can see. Terms to categorize. We'll look at this in a minute, but these are the sort of simple tasks that you'll be doing. As you can see here, each task on here that can take literally a minute, if that. But if I scroll down here, I'll show you exactly how this works. So it's broken up into 4 steps. Step 1 is sign up. Step 2 is take exams. Now don't worry about that, I'll come back to that in a second. Step 3 is you complete the work, and step 4 is you get paid. So really simple: sign up, take exams, complete the work, and get paid. Now, when it says here, take exams, all this basically means is once you sign up, in order to go ahead and start taking these different online jobs, you've got to first prove that you're capable of doing it and you know exactly what you're doing. So if you scroll up the page here, in fact, let me scroll down here, I'll show you down here. These are some of the different examples of the tasks that you will be doing. So drawing boxes around cars, moderating content, identifying spam, categorizing t-shirts. So before you get to go and, let's say this one here, before you get an opportunity to earn from drawing boxes around cars, you've got to take a really quick exam or test to prove that you're capable of doing it and you understand how it works. Now I'll keep scrolling up here because they actually have a video on here behind here and it shows you, but basically all you're doing is you're highlighting different cars, and that's exactly what these exams or tests are, so you don't need to worry about that too much. Now if I scroll down here, keep coming further down, so it says here these are some of the different tasks that you can do. So you can see image annotation, and this is where you would be drawing boxes around cars and various other objects. So you can be drawing bounding boxes around various objects to help determine what's where. You've then got categorization, so you'll be identifying keywords that describe a picture. So in this example here, you've got cotton purple coat. You've got image transcription, you've got comparison, you've got audio transcription, and you've also got data collection. So these are it's kind of like a micro-tasking website, and I'll show you another website at the end, one which we've covered before, but this is a bit more advanced to some of these micro-tasking websites which are out available. And no, it's still on this PayPal one. So if I scroll down the page a little bit further, you've got Meet Our Taskers, and you can go and read some of these, and as to whether these are legitimate or not, I absolutely don't know, but feel free, you can read all of these that go across the page. There's lots of these that just purely keep coming across here. So lots of testimonials on here. If I come further down the page, you've got frequently asked questions. So we'll come back to the frequently asked questions and I'll highlight a couple of points for you. But if you want to get started with this, you see here where it says sign up, you simply click on sign up and it will take you through to this page here. Now on this page, how you sign up with Reamer Tasks, unfortunately you need a Facebook account. You cannot sign up with email, which is a bit bizarre. So to sign up, you simply click on here, sign up, and you see you've got to connect this with Facebook. And in terms of, you do not need any skills with this website, you do not need any experience. All skills are welcome. You can see we're hiring for many different task types, flexible work. This is something why people will like this method, because you're not bound to this, you're not tied to this. You log in and you complete task whenever you've got some free time to do this, and then once you complete your task you simply get paid, and you get paid via PayPal. So you would sign up with Facebook. Once you've completed that, you then go into the back office, and I'll show you the back office in a minute. But very quickly, let's go and look at some of the frequently asked questions. I'll highlight a couple of things for you. Oh, it's here. See, I just wanted to see if they had this one on the front with the cars, but this here is some audio transcription. So this is an audio transcription box. Oh, here we go, it's the cars one. See, this is where you are simply highlighting cars. And then you submit your task, and that would be that one done. So this is just how quick the different tasks are, and again, this is another example of a small task that you'd be completing over on the website. And that's it. So if we go back over to the frequently asked questions here, so let's scroll a little bit further up to the top. I'll go through these for you because I just want to highlight a couple of points. So point number one is minimum. You do not have to work a minimum number of hours to get paid. You can see on here there's no minimum to get paid each week. How will I get paid? Well, you get paid via PayPal. Scroll down the page a little bit further, you see we pay via PayPal on Friday. So it's every single Friday, once a week, you get paid. And then there's lots more on here going over earnings and frequently asked questions. But they've also got, which I did notice, if I come down here, they've got this Reamer Tasks University. Now on here, basically this is just an extension of the original tasks that you do when you sign up on here. So it's just walking you through more in-depth tasks, basically how you complete some of the different tasks on here. So they've also got support, frequently asked questions, meet our taskers, how it works, etc, etc. So if you click on meet our taskers, all of it pretty much, any of these boxes down here, any of the ones that you click on at the bottom, most of them, what I'm finding is they lead you back to the home page. So if you click on the tasks, you see it just goes back to the home page. So any of those boxes at the bottom, they'll take you through to the home page. So this is Reamer Tasks. It's very simple to do. It's very easy. You're not going to earn lots, but if you're looking to earn some simple and easy money online, then this website may help you. Now, I said I was going to share some actual testimonials with you. So let me go and show you this one here. So this is a video here. I found this over on YouTube. This is from the actual Beer Money Forum, and you can see on here they earned $616 doing tasks from home. Now on here they drop a link over to the Money Forum, so let me go and show you this. This is over on the Beer Money Forum. We've mentioned this website a couple of times in the past, but this thread, if you like, this was created. When was this thread created? I think it was created about 2017. You can see here, this is when the thread was created, and people were sharing, different amounts of money that they've earned from this website here. But we're not interested in 2017. So what we'll do is I'll show you. We'll go to the end page and have a look at the most recent payments. So we'll come down here. This is on page 17. There's no one actually with a picture on there of any earning. Oh, here's one right at the top there. So this person here has earned $90. In 2.7 hours worth of work, tasks that they've reviewed. So you can see, when was this? This was April the 16th, so this was about a month ago. This person here has earned $90 so far. You can see this is my earnings so far this week. Let's go to page 16, look at some earnings on here. Scroll through, got any earnings on here, any pictures? Oh, we've got a few on here, so here's one. This person has earned $4.60. Let's go and look. Latest payment, $10.40. Scroll down, see if we've got any more on here. I'll show one more. Yeah, another one here. $4.29. So you can see this is a legitimate website. It's paying out. I'll drop a link to the Beer Money forum below. You can go ahead and check out this link and check out this actual forum because it's a great website to find different opportunities to make money online. So that is the Beer Money forum. I'll drop a link to this for you. Now let me show you what it looks like inside the members area. So this is a website here called webemployed.com. Scroll down here, it shows you exactly how this works. So you sign up, scroll down here, it shows you inside the office. So after you've logged in, this is what your dashboard will look like. So you can see all your stats straight away. Scroll down here, we've got, the welcome. These are the exams. So this is what I mentioned at the beginning, where you've got to take an exam or a test basically to prove that you understand what is required of you. So take these and then you can start applying to complete the jobs on here. See, the pay via PayPal. It says on here the minimum payout is $5, but it's not. I've actually double checked that. The payments are made weekly, and then we've got a conclusion down here. So I'll drop a link to this below, this article as well below for you. But this is today's website. It's called Reamer Tasks or Remote Tasks, whichever way you want to look at it. But as you can see, really simple, really easy, and it's quite similar to, let me go and show you this other one that we looked at in the past. We looked at this website here, Rapid Workers. So over on Rapid Workers, that also is a micro task website, but the difference is over on Rapid Workers, if I scroll down here, you can see on Rapid Workers you get paid for really simple, like ridiculously simple things like follow somebody on Twitter, you'll earn 12 cents, create a Gmail account for somebody, I don't know why they couldn't do that themselves, YouTube videos, so if you watch YouTube videos you can get paid, if you like someone's YouTube video you'll get paid. So this is another website that you can use. This one's Rapid Workers. But in terms of the two, Rapid Workers and Reamer Tasks, I much prefer this Reamer Tasks. It's a lot better laid out. It's a lot easier to understand. The pay is better on here and it's available worldwide. So thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. And if you like really simple, really easy ways to make money online, work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and I'll always update you whenever I've uploaded a new video. So thanks again, go and have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.